to Dadi's Awesome Kitchen. Yeah, today we are going to make rice pulao, lots of veggies and very healthy. And that's what we're gonna, let's start it. First thing I have the pot on and then the stove on. And I'm gonna add like 2 tablespoons of oil. Add some bay leaves. And I have 1 large onion cut in small slices. And I that. I'm gonna cook that. They're very veggie rice, very veggie, lots of veggie in there. Kids love it. So, onions almost cooked. And now I'm gonna add, I have 2 large carrots cut in very small pieces. I'm gonna add those. Cook the carrots for a minute. I'm gonna a little bit tenderize the carrots. Dairy. And then I have 1 cup of peas. Dairy. I'm gonna have a couple tablespoons of ginger and garlic. I'm gonna add them there, cook at the same time. Puree. I made a puree. So it will cook faster. And tastes really good. Let it cook for a couple of minutes. And now I'm going to add cumin seed in here. 1 teaspoon. So you can, actually you can put the cumin seed. It's really tasty in rice. Not as much, but just right. Pulao you do need it, right? Now let it cook a little bit more. I have 2 peppers, bell peppers, yellow and red. You can add green if you like, so colorful. I'm gonna add in there. Maybe half a minute. Now I'm going to add is 1 cup cauliflower. Okay, so this is almost done the veggies. Now I'm going to add like 1/4 cup of cashews.
Looks tasty, Daddy.
Let's see. And salt to taste. I put about 1.5 teaspoons. And curry powder, turmeric. So put 1 teaspoon there. Makes a really nice color to your rice. Adds really nice color. Now I have 1.5 cup basmati rice. I washed that, so I'm going to put that in here. I'm going to cook like half a minute. Coming out very colorful. And adding 1.5 cup water.
Cold water?
Yeah, cold water.
Okay.
So I'm gonna cover it and cook for a minute on high heat. Then I'm gonna put to low heat. Cook slowly. Alright, so I'm gonna cover this. I'm covering it. Cover it for a minute. Let it cook on high heat. Then I put it down. Very low, so I'm going to cook about 8 to 10 minutes. Then rice will be done. So there you go. Smells really nice. It's all ready. So I'm gonna put in the plate. There you go. It's really looking good. Awesome. Colorful and lots of veggies. So there you go. This is the rice. It looks awesome and smells really good too. And now the girls gonna do the taste test. And you can serve with this dahi, or you can have without dahi. So plain yogurt is your preference. There you guys. Hot. Careful. It's very hot. This came on the stove. Yeah. Now you're gonna add some dahi, yogurt. Careful, it's very hot. You don't want to burn your tongue.
Wow, this is really good.
Yeah? Really?
Very tasty.
I want to see what Arya say. Alright. I like that. If you guys like it, that means gotta be good. Because it's a kid friendly. So if you like my video, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.